Hi guys, my name is Laureate. I'm a design engineer, and this video is about SolidWorks computer aided design. So today we're going to learn how to use the extrude base feature. So we start by creating a sketch, and then you go to features and you extrude at a specific height. Okay, just click OK, then you're good. Now what about if you have multiple symbols in there? So if you have a circle, we create another circle in there, right? And then we extrude, or SolidWorks is going to naturally extrude the outer circle and then make the inner circle a cut. So this is what we have. All right. Now, how about if you have multiple symbols? So I want to draw about three symbols in here, and then I hit the extrude boss. You realize that SolidWorks doesn't know which one particularly you want to extrude, whether you want to extrude two of them, you want to extrude one, what are you doing with the other circles? And so it gives you the option here in the selected contours to specify which one you want to extrude. So we'll go ahead and specify these two. And then you realize that the other one is a cut. Right. So that's basically how to use the extrude boss or base feature. Catch you in the next lesson.